Now, yeah, what's the status on all the resources that you want to see that you sent in easily? So did you figure out the Google Drive link for these are all our folks from PS University. They're in an era of colleges going over and above donations. That's something I really like. आप एक बात के लिए बाइक सजेस्ट करते हैं. Yeah, so sorry to call you a little randomly, yeah?
No, that's completely all right.
What's up? Are you at home today? You have an holiday?
Yeah, the college gave us holiday.
Yeah, I know, right? I just was passing by around and I never saw it was so empty. And I'm like, what happened? And then I saw, okay,
So your
it's
voice
off.
is a bit low. I can't hear you so properly.
Just a minute. Yeah. So I think I was just passing by through college and I just happened to pass by and it was so empty. So I was wondering what's the status on all the resources. Just wanted to see, did you settle in easy? So did you figure out the Google Drive link on the WhatsApp group description?
Yes, I figured it out. Rekha sir ne.
ठीक है, that okay. Did you confirm with her, sir?
Yeah, ma'am, so she will only upload that one.
Okay, great, sir.
It is in some other ID.
Okay, so that again will be done by Varsha ma'am. Okay.
Mahadi ma'am also she contacted me. She shared me 2 files.
Yeah.
Two.
Yes, got it.
Yes, I was wondering outside which someone shooted this.
Best teacher of the year.
Of content, yeah, Nanika, what should I do? Where should I get content from?
Sir, I'll give you content.
Nanika is the content queen, yeah, of PS College. All our folks from PS University and also with Avantika ma'am. It's the last day, guys, today. So, what was the best day of the semester, yeah? Other than meeting me? Yeah. So, I think my best experience with you guys was is yet to come. But really nice to know about Midullah, yeah, being the first ranker. I think that was really nice. I got to know about that recently. And about Mona getting 300s. Okay. And she's wondering how do I know her name is Mona. Credits to Avantika ma'am. Okay, so Navya, are you also 90% above or am I the only odd one out?
Yes, sir, I don't mind.
Guys, come on,
Also
yeah.
basketball player, no?
And Navya is also a basketball player. I'm the only one who's in 70%. Yeah. And Avantika ma'am has got great marks. So as the holder of this camera, I'm already feeling bad, but okay. So one moment, yeah, Avantika ma'am, what was your moment of this sem? That was really nice. And everyone says you're the favoritism to Mridula. Why is that? Everyone says that.
My favorite moment was in the initial days when Abhishek or someone put proxy for some other student and that was my favorite moment.
Who put?
अक्षया के लिए
Abhishek put for Akshaya.
पता नहीं किसी ने तो स्टार्टिंग में मेरे को पता नहीं था किसका क्या क्वेश्चन है.
Okay.
But obviously it would have been Disha or someone else like some of her friends.
Oh yeah, my favorite moment was Navya when Navya started sitting in the front because of the heat and she started paying attention in class. So, yeah, that was quite a moment. Yeah, how about you, Mona? What was one good moment this year or something that you were happy in this semester?
The entire semester going to Goa semester.
Oh, you went to Goa?
Yeah.
These four went to Goa.
Oh my God, that is so random.
Yeah,
Man.
these people came to Coorg also.
Yeah.
Before the sem.
That's so nice. Yeah, listening to such stories, huh? All of you guys. And what about Likita?
Same.
What was your happy moment this semester? Did you score better than? Tell me.
Days and happy moments.
Yeah.
Pop, pop, pop.
Okay, to this point, I have no point to say because it's such a true thing. And every day should be a happy day. And on that note, guys, let's take a picture now. Yeah. Just on the ground, just to ensure it's really cool around. So, background, guys, we're talking about PS University, which is currently at Banshagri, and I really like the fact how they're incentivizing students from a monetary perspective to actually study well. And I thought that was so good. Where in an era of colleges going over and above donations, this is something I really liked. And yeah, Shlok, coming from someone who has at PS, just tell me the structure of it. How does it work? Like, yeah.
So, I'm not really sure about the number of people that get it.
Sure.
But it's something like, the top 5% of people get 50% of their fees back.
Wow,
their
that's
tuition
substantial, buddy.
Yeah, that's the tuition fee for that sem. And then after that, the next 10% or something like that gets like 40%.
40% refunded.
Yeah.
So like if I'm, first you complete.
Yeah, and then after that, like you have whatever people who get distinction, they get like 2,000 rupees.
That's nice, huh? Shlok made 2,000 rupees off his college fees and didn't tell his parents about it. Party kar liya.
Yeah, it's already spent.
Okay, I hope they see this on the vlog. Huh? But okay, nice. Just to get a context, I paid, you pay annually. That is, let's say you pay 1 lakh.
No, 2.3.
So you pay 2.3 annually, divided by 2 semesters.
But so that's the thing, 2.3 is not like only tuition fee. So per sem you're paying like 1.1 ish, almost 1.1.
So 1 lakh, ठीक है, 1 lakh per semester or per year.
Per semester.
Per semester. So 2 lakhs you're paying for a year.
Yeah.
Correct. So now if someone comes first in the class, so from the 2 lakhs that they've paid in the year, they get 50% back.
For that semester. So per semester 1
50,000.
lakh. So yeah.
No, sorry, 1 lakh. My bad. One semester 1 lakh. So in that semester they top, they get 50k back.
Yeah.
Then both the semesters they top, out of 2 lakhs, 1 lakh they're getting back.
Basically.
Right? Is that an understanding? I just want everyone to get that context, and I think it's a great practice, yeah. In the sense that it's actually incentivizing students, promoting to be more higher achiever, in the sense that paying attention in class and studying better. I think that's a great initiative, yeah. And yeah, what do you do with the 2,000? ठीक है, अब एक मैम के लिए बाइक सजेस्ट करते हैं. Yeah, so Shlok, which bike for Avantika ma'am?
650, sir.
650 cc. Oh, superb यार. मैं RC 200 बोलूँगा मैम के लिए. हाँ, Vedant, which one? Oh, Harley, हाँ, वैभव कौन सा? Vespa. हाँ, कौन सा? Oh, ये बाइकर है भाई, तू बता कौन सा? हाँ, which one? BMW भाई, खर्चा कराएगा ये. कृपा कौन सा? Activa 5G.